Hello, Gandhi. This is the bird. What's up, Gandhi? You gonna say hello? Hello? No, don't get in the hair. That will go tragically. There we go. How long before he poops on me? There we go. I didn't even have to say it and he already pooped on me. I say that, it went straight on the floor. Thank God. Yeah, here he is. Okay, bud? Yeah. I think people have been asking for the bird for so long. I think he's actually human friendly somewhat now. Thank God. Bird plus chair hype, yeah. I'm probably going to put him back in a second though, because I think he's getting a little bit... Oh, yep, he's growling. Getting a bit antsy. Yeah? You're getting a little bit pissy at the chair. Chair's annoying us. What's the best moment of my life? That's a good question. I actually don't know. Kiss him. I'm not going to kiss his mouth, because he'll actually just bite my nose. Anyway. Annie, you not going to say hello to everyone? Here we go. Nah, here on in. There we go. Have I watched PewDiePie's videos? I've been watching PewDiePie for years, dude. Annie, you don't have to run away. It's not that scary, is it? What's his name? Gandhi. I don't have any other pets at the moment. I might get another pet, like another bird at some point. This is so painful. I'm like bent over completely. Notice me. I see you. I see you. Alright, fun flasher. Goodbye. You're just being an idiot. Bye bye. Floor gang. Yeah, unfortunately you've seen my legs now. He is a male, hence the reason why he has that big ring around his neck. Come on, bud, we're gonna go back. Yeah, because the females don't have any rings whatsoever, whereas this guy, he's got a pink and black ring. I don't think you can really see it. Andy, can you please turn around? You're making this so difficult. How old is he? I think he's like 13, maybe a bit older now. He's very cute though. I see you, God! I've seen you, Senpai has seen. Name my next bird Quacks. I don't know. He does quack, like the parrot does actually say quack. Did he like you? I don't know. He seems alright. Either way, I'm going to put him back now before he does inevitably poop all over everything. Say goodbye, Gandhi. Okay, he's not going to. He's just freaking out. When did I get him? I got him for Christmas a long time ago. I think it was 2007-ish. Ah! Bird! Bird, what are you doing to me? Ah! Oh. No, not the Borderlands figurine! Here you go, he's up there now. Yeah. On the behemoth? I think we've lost him to the behemoth. All you can see is his tail up there now, right? Come on, you gotta get off that. Come here. No biting. Why are you making this so difficult? the behemoth. Going. What's even happening? Yeah. No, don't shit on my phone! No! Bird, why would you do it? No! Stop! Ah! Okay, this has gone wrong very quickly. Bird. Bird, please stop pooping on all the electronics. I beg you. Yeah, come on, put your footy on. Yeah? Footy on? Footy on? Please. Come on. God, you are so annoying sometimes, Bird. You just wanted to tell me how you're feeling. I'm sorry, chat. I am struggling. I'm trying to deal with this because I know that he's freaking out. So I'm trying to get him back, but he's just... Yeah. Come on, stand up. Yeah? We good? Come on. He's just putting his foot on me and just like going, no. No. He's just like, imagine this is my arm and this is his foot. He's just going, no. No. Pushing me away. Gandhi, you can't stand on there. You've already pooped 3 times in the span of 10 minutes. Come on. Good boy. Let's go. Ooh, what's